Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technology Glance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can save your game progress on Snapchat.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technology Glance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, select the gear button. Now, scroll until you can find the Games and Mini settings option. And once you do, tap on it. Now, toggle on the button beside Share Activity with Friends. And that's it. If you have enabled Game or Mini from Snapchat, your activity will be shared.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.